Ladd with Groupe Kenworth Montreal TNT, trucks and tips. Matthew Ladd here in the sleeper compartment of a Kenworth T680. This week I'm going to show you what is underneath the bed of a sleeper truck when it's equipped with an inverter, Kenworth idle management APU system, and an Espar from factory. So we're going to lift up this bed. I'm going to show you what's underneath it. Just to note, the liftable bed is an option on the truck. Make sure you ask for it in your specs. It's a great way to access the tool compartment without having to go outside in inclement weather. Let's go take a look. So the first thing we do is right underneath the bed here, you have a latch. So we're going to pull on that latch. And you can see it opens very, very well at a nice angle on the T680 or T880 or W990. Underneath here, right here, we have a protective cover that holds the Espar, either a D2 or a D4 from factory. Here you have your HVAC system for the Kenworth idle management system. There's also some more equipment over here. This is your toolbox area that you can access from the outside, but if you put stuff here, you can also access it from the inside. And over here, we have your Eaton inverter, 1800 watt inverter from factory. In this case, this truck also has the upgraded sound system, and you have a subwoofer located right there. And that's a quick look underneath the bed on a Kenworth sleeper truck with an inverter, Kenworth idle management system, and an Espar from factory. It's Groupe Kenworth Montreal TNT, trucks and tips, and I'm Matthew Ladd. Stay tuned for more tips in the future. Thank you.